The KUPER EFS Single-knife veneer guillotine is the optimum solution for fast and accurate cutting of material stacks. The highlights: gentle pulling cut, Siemens somatic control with extra-large touchscreen, extra-large table with precise parallel fence, flexible hydraulics, and light barrier technology for maximum work safety. All settings and program sequences can be controlled conveniently and safely with the clearly designed somatic touchscreen. Costly operating errors are a thing of the past. A perfect cut over the entire length means clean, tear-free cutting edges of the highest quality, without sawdust or planing chips. KUPER Precise. The optimal positioning of the material is supported by a green directional light. The advantage: less waste and a very precise cutting edge. In the chain dimensions mode, strips of the same width are produced fully automatically. The outstanding quality of our knives guarantees special durability. The result? Low wear, low maintenance costs, and high productivity. The hydraulically driven pressure bar can be precisely adjusted to the corresponding material through different pressure levels. The result: even soft materials such as corrugated board are processed optimally. So are stacks of paper, as well as many other materials. KUPER Flexible. The new KUPER Industry 4.0 module guarantees a dynamic, efficient, and customized production. Transmitting work orders online, monitoring production and performance data, or evaluating energy consumption. It's all possible with the KUPER EFS line. Maximum productivity, extremely robust, and particularly flexible. The KUPER EFS Single-knife veneer guillotine is the perfect investment for the future.